This is Trace and Miley. Trace has the white spot on his chest, and they're both very good cats. They've been here for a while, so they really need a good home. And they're really, really playful. They're brother and sister, and they're both spayed and neutered, microchipped, and fully vaccinated. They've also been dewormed. They're super, super playful, love activity, really hyper cats. And they're both black domestic shorthairs. They are a little bit talkative, so make sure you like meowing cats. And they are about 4 months old.